Hi and welcome to another edition of Ask the Geeks, where we answer the tech question which you send in to us. We have a question today from Suprajit, who's messaged us on WhatsApp, which you can also do, and asked us for any parental control apps for Android. Google has a set of apps called Family Link. There are two apps here, Family Link for parents and Family Link for kids and teenagers. As you would have guessed, you have to install the Family Link for kids or teenagers onto the device which you want to monitor, which your kids are using, and install the Family Link for parents onto your phone if that's what you're going to be using for monitoring them. When you install it and run the parents one, it walks you through the complete steps. It helps you create a new account for your children if they don't have one, and you can set all kinds of controls like what kind of apps are allowed for them, what new kind of apps they're allowed to download, how much of screen time they're allowed, what websites they're allowed to visit from Chrome, and even set up a bedtime so that beyond that time the device automatically becomes inaccessible to them. And you can always use the parents app to find out reports on terms of how often they're using the device, what are the apps they're using, and also check out all other kinds of graphs. If this kind of information is not enough and if you want to take it a step higher, check out the screen time app from Screen Time Labs. It's a little bit expensive though, and it costs about 350 rupees per month. It's a subscription, but it also helps by giving some nifty features like setting up tasks. So for example, you can set it up in such a way that if the kids clean up their room, they're rewarded with some extra screen time, or if they do their homework, or also they're rewarded with some extra game time. But yeah, I would say it's a little bit too expensive, and Google Family Link is free, so you can also download both the apps right now onto the devices and check it out. If you found this video useful, help share, like, subscribe, the usual, and my time is almost up, so thanks and bye bye.